Hi children, namaste. How are you all? Hope you are all very healthy and fine. Please take care of yourselves at home. Today I am going to discuss with you second unit B reading, that is its change. Children, do you like to come to school? If I ask you why do you want to come to school, what would be your answer? Just think for yourselves, children. Why do you really want to come to school? But in this beautiful lesson, a girl doesn't want to come to school. Do you know the reason why the girl doesn't want to come to school? And she goes to the mother and says, I don't want to go to school. And she gives a valid reason for not going to the school. And do you want to know about this valid reason? Then let us get into the poem, children. Let us understand the poem, write the hard words and find meanings for them. Is that very clear? And then after listening and understanding and clearing your doubts, you can write the question and answers for this poem. Clear? Let's get into listen to the poem. Thank you. Hi children, let's learn a new lesson. Okay? This lesson is taken from your English textbook. Okay, Unit 2, B reading, that is its change. Okay, this lesson is a discussion between a mother and a child. Okay, a mother and a daughter. Child, let me give you clarity. Child here refers to the daughter of the mother. Mother and daughter, both of them are discussing about three things. They are discussing about the human beings, they are discussing about the world, the society. Okay, the destruction of the world, the destruction of the society, the destruction of the human being. Okay, this is the most important topic that is being discussed between the mother and the daughter. So the child is so much worried that world is going to end, and the child brings a few people who are actually involved in destruction of the world. They are, you and me also could be, but the child thought little smartly, and she said, like scientists, biologists, zoologists, and archaeologists. These are the people who are designing to destroy the world. Okay, these were the people. So the object of this learning this poem is how far we are also responsible in destruction of the world. Okay, that is the most important point that we need to really think about and ponder. And this beautiful poem is written by Emma Gorey. Okay, Emma Gorey is the lady who has written this beautiful poem. So the girl is speaking to the mother. Mom, I don't want to go to school today, as you all say, right? I'm sure you also do not want to come to school. Likewise, the little girl went to the mother and saying her objection to go to school. Mom, I don't want to go to school today. Here, cause is the, in a poem you can write the short forms. So because actually, but they have written the short form cause. So if you are writing the short form, you have to keep the apostrophe. Okay, because I fear our world is in decay. Decay means distraction. Okay, so the girl is talking her concerns, her thoughts to the mother. Very clearly she is telling, Mom, I don't want to go to school today because I feel that our world is going to end. I feel that the earth is going to be destroyed. This is very clear for me. So on the basis of these reasons, I feel that I don't want to go to school. Coming to the second paragraph, she says, I feel my teachers are part of the plot. In designing to destroy this world, even my teachers also are culprits. Even my teachers also involved in destroying our world. I am the only one who sees through the rot. So this destruction, this rot means the destruction. This destruction being done to the earth, I'm able to see even my teachers are also joining in destroying this world. That is the most, painful agony for me, which I don't want to really think, which I really feel very, very bad. Even my teachers are involved in destroying this world. That really gives me very, very pain. All are destroying the world, but even our teachers are destroying the world. That is really making me very, very painful and very sad, and I cannot accept that fact. Okay, even my teachers are also are joining in destroying the world, and this destruction I'm able to see it. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change a quantum leap. A quantum leap means a new kind of change. Cloning pigs and sheep in a laboratory. How can you create new beings, new animals in the laboratory? It is opposite, against the nature. We cannot accept it, but our scientists are proving that they can do creation of animals in the laboratory. And so scientists are cloning. Cloning means making new animals in the laboratory. So that's what, and they're telling it is a quantum change. What change? Quantum's a new change. That's it. So scientists are not only these sheep and pigs, but human beings they are cloning. They are cloning the human beings. That is the most agonizing thing. Sorry. That is the most unacceptable thing. Scientists are cloning even pigs and sheep. Not only that, they are cloning human beings. Okay, so and they call it as a quantum change, a new change. Then what about the biologist? What are they? What do the biologists do? He worries about the life on Earth, right? A biologist worries all about the worry of life. Biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it change the way to go. And they're telling, they are taking the cells of other things that they're making them to grow. Stem cells. And, in the laboratory or on their own, they are allowing these cells separately taken and making them to grow. And they are telling you this is the way to go in this modern era, which we have not seen in our eyes, which we have not read with our mind. But we see a kind of new change that is happening in the world, and this girl is able to observe all such kind of changes that are being done in the world. So the girl is very much afraid, and so she gives her approval that she doesn't want to go to school. Okay, so biologists are doing that. Then what about the geologists are doing? Geologists are finding cracks in our earth. A geologist studies the earth. Okay, so the geologists are also ruining the world. What way? They are finding cracks in our earth, saying it change, predicting its birth. Okay, they are actually going into the cracks of the earth and finding what is the birth years of the earth. When did our birth start in existence? Okay, geologists are finding everything that is related to earth. When the earth was originated, how many soils are there, how many kinds of rocks are there, which soil is good and which soil is not good, how many years this earth can remain as a earth before it gets submerged in the water. So everything geologists are trying to find out. Okay, they are studying the earth. So simple, my dear children. Now, the last people, they are archaeologists. I believe you understand the word archaeologists. So we are studying about scientists, biologists, geologists, and now we are coming to archaeologists. Archaeologists, what do they do? They study about fossils and bones. To get the fossils and bones, what do? They dig deep into the earth. Now, how do we know that dinosaurs lived on Earth? Did any one of us see the dinosaurs really in our garden, in our field, in our village? Did we see any dinosaurs? But how do you know that dinosaurs existed? Because of their bones and fossils. Where did we get? Who got those fossils and bones? We did not get simply. Okay, so archaeologists, a person who is interested to find out what existed many years ago, those people are called as archaeologists. Okay, so archaeologists dig up fossils and bones, saying it changed. So everybody is telling, scientists is telling it is change, biologists is telling it is change, geologists are telling it's change, and archaeologists are saying it's change, predicting its birth. Okay, time for clones. So now archaeologists are finding that these fossils existed, and now they're telling that in the same form of this, we need to clone and give birth for them. We need to do something in the laboratory and allow these destroyed or extinct animals to get rebirth and reappear on Earth. This is what the archaeologists are interested in. Okay. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. Okay, right? So all these people, what are they doing? Scientists are doing something and giving more information. Biologists are also working with many plants, sicknesses and other things, and different parts of organs of our body, and they are giving more information. Geologists, they are studying geography, Earth, and everything, and they are giving more information. Archaeologists also giving more information. So this information is, printed in the books and given to whom? To the students. So this little intelligent girl, she says that giving us kids, giving us children too much to learn. These all people above, who are they? Teachers, scientists, biologists, geologists, archaeologists are preparing so much of information and giving us for what? For learning. And that way they are really making us heavy with books. Our backpack is loaded with so many books which we do not want to. So the girl's fear in the lesson is that she doesn't want to read so many books. So she has designed a beautiful story that many people are trying to destroy. This is Earth. So her actual plan, my dear children, is not to want to study, because there is so much of information which was brought by all these kinds of people. Who are they? Scientists, archaeologists, geologists, and biologists. All these people, along with teachers, they are preparing so much of information and giving to the books. And these books are read by whom? By the students. That's why the girl is not at all interested to study all such kind of information. So she gives complaints that there is so much of distraction to the everything, and this distraction, they are telling that it is nothing but simply a change. Okay, so hope the poem is very clear, children. I am going to post a beautiful song also, children, on this same poem. So please listen to the song and learn the song very nicely. And you can record the song and you can send me the recorded song. Okay. Hope it is very clear for you, children. In case if you have any difficulty, you can call me and ask. Is that very clear? Thank you, children. Thank you, children, for listening to this beautiful poem. Hope it is very clear for you. In case if any doubts are there, please call me to my number and I will explain to you and clear your doubts. Is that very clear? Don't forget, learn the poem very nicely, learn hard words and their meanings, and write question and answers. Is that clear, children?